The right way to clean suede shoes.
Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about a common yet important question. Is it safe to clean suede shoes with soap and water? The short answer is no, but stick around to find out why and to learn the correct way to clean your suede shoes.
What is suede?
Firstly, we need to understand what suede is. Suede is a type of leather with a napped finish. It's known for its smooth, velvety texture, which gives it a high-end, fashionable appeal. However, this soft and porous surface can be very sensitive to water, stains, and dirt.
Can we use soap and water to clean suede shoes?
Let's get straight to the point. Using soap and water to clean suede shoes is not recommended. Water can alter the texture of suede, causing it to become rough and lose its distinctive feel. Soap, on the other hand, can cause discoloration. Any harsh cleaning agents can potentially damage this delicate material.
How should we clean suede shoes?
So, how do we clean suede shoes properly? Here are some steps. 1. Dry cleaning. Using a specialized suede brush, gently rub off any loose dirt or debris from the shoe. This brush has soft bristles which are safe for the suede surface. 2. Stain removal. For stubborn stains, use a suede eraser. Rub the eraser gently on the stained area until it disappears. 3. Water stains. If your shoes get wet, let them dry naturally, away from direct heat or sunlight. Once dry, use your suede brush to restore the texture. 4. Use a suede protector spray. This is a preventative measure. The spray creates a protective layer on the surface, helping to repel water and prevent stains. So, now you know that cleaning suede shoes with soap and water is not the best idea. Instead, opt for the correct tools such as a suede brush, suede eraser, and a protector spray to keep your shoes looking their best. Remember, proper care can significantly extend the life of your suede shoes. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.